Got a Warzone gift card and itching to redeem it? Well, here's how you can do it. First of all, open up the Call of Duty launcher. Then click on your profile icon from the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Redeem Code. Now type in your code here, click on Redeem Code, and whatever the gift code is for games, game time, in-game items, or Battle.net balance, it'll be added to your account. If this isn't working for you for some reason, you can also redeem the code on Battle.net website. To do this, visit account.battle.net from your favorite browser. Then log in using your Warzone account details if you still haven't. Now on the first page, look for the box under the Redeem a Code section. Type in your code there and click on Redeem Code, and voila, your code will be redeemed. So that's how you redeem gift cards and other types of codes in Warzone. If the video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And if you still have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.